Hi everyone. Welcome to the tutorial. On this series, I will talk about the brain of almost every digital electronic device we use, called the microcontroller. Let's get started. People often find it difficult getting started with microcontrollers. There are great tutorials on YouTube for the advanced topics, but those generally require some prerequisites, such as you are from electronics or computer science background, and you know the C language. Also, people find the technical terms used on those tutorials difficult to understand. As a result, they often give up learning. If you have electronics or computer science background, or you know the C language, it would be added advantage for you. This series aims at common people with only two prerequisites: interest on electronic devices, and patience. I will try to explain every technical term I will use, in the simplest way possible, and we will learn the basics together. After completing the series, at least, you will have the idea how things work, and even you can build your own electronics device using microcontroller. Okay, enough introduction. Let's jump into the main content. The first thing we need to understand why I am using the term microcontroller so often. What the hell is that? To understand the microcontroller, we need to understand why microcontrollers were invented at the first place. We will take examples of some devices that doesn't use a microcontroller, such as an incandescent lamp, commonly called a bulb, a common ceiling fan, a clock without digital display. Those devices don't require any decision-making capability. As long as they have the power, they will continue to operate. Now consider an induction oven. You can set the oven to a particular temperature, and also you can set a timer, so that the oven will turn off itself after the time has been elapsed. The induction oven needs to set its temperature to the requested level. Then it needs to keep track of the requested timing. At last, when the time has been elapsed, it needs to turn off itself. As you can understand now, the whole operation of the induction oven needs multiple human-like decision-making. There is one device that can make decisions, based on the decision-making logic given to it, the computer. The induction oven contains a tiny version of computer that acts as the brain of the device, and makes the necessary decisions. The tiny version of computer attached to the induction oven is called the microcontroller. On picture it looks like this. People often call this chip. We will dive deep about how the microcontroller works, and how we can execute our own requirements, using a microcontroller in the upcoming parts of the tutorial. Please consider subscribing to the channel, if you don't want to miss upcoming videos. Please provide your feedback on the comment section. Thank you for watching.